The St. Louis County Police Department started using AvailWeb and Utility as a camera solution back in 2019. Utility Associates was able to provide training to our region in a group setting that allows other agencies to bounce ideas off of each other. And being able to do that together is key to continuing our partnerships with each other as well as with the company itself.
We have 50 to 60 police departments within St. Louis County. St. Louis County Police Department had the AvailWeb system, so when we were searching for a camera system, we thought, why not go to a place that had done 2 years plus research? The features that I like are the quick responses that I'm able to get when I'm just able to search for a specific incident. And then that gets us our answers for the community and or politicians and or investigators from surrounding areas.
Being able to link all of the cars and the officers' body cameras together on specific incidents has really kind of streamlined guessing who was there, what their job role was at the time, and just the software itself just links all of that video together.
Switching to Polaris, the feature that stands out the most is the redaction side. Polaris is able to do finer redactions, quicker redactions, find more things to redact that you might have missed prior through automation, and it does it relatively accurate the first time without any touch-ups.
The feature that I really liked was the transcription service. Officers are busy and they can't listen to the whole video and get every statement a suspect said or a victim said. I think if with a transcription service, you could just, copy that, put in your report, and say, this isn't word for word, but close to it. So prosecutors, supervisors can get a better understanding what actually happened.
We are constantly looking for ways to make it easier for the community to reach out to law enforcement, crime victims, as well as businesses who are also victimized, to get us footage, documentation, anything that we can use as evidence to help prosecute a crime. And Polaris having the ability to give citizens a one-time upload link and get us their footage quicker and to be able to play it within AvailWeb itself is that much better.
For this software to be able to offer that ability for a citizen to upload their video directly to a case officer's file, that's a tool right there in itself that's worth every dollar paid for this.
Be it documents, be it phone, be it cameras from houses or cameras from a liquor store that has been burglarized or robbed, is going to be so advantageous because hopefully you'll be able to package all that together in one place, send it out wherever it needs to be sent, be it another agency that needs that information or a prosecutor's office. It will be invaluable.
Utility Associates, they've been amazing from day one with us. I believe we were the first in the area and we're one of the largest departments. They often reach out to us for input, and they will take a lot of what we give them and actually implement it into the product. They really have put a lot into this, never asking an officer to do something technology can do. We were told that from day one, and they've proven that to us over and over again.
It was easy to understand why they picked Utility. It was a system that we knew would work with us, and as soon as we find out somebody has added Utility, we get a hold of them right away for an MOU, and we add them to our system because we'll share anything with anybody. We don't care.
They're the only ones I know of that has the body-worn down feature, the automatic triggers for running, the door triggers, the light triggers, all the automated stuff that comes with this system. I haven't seen any other company come close to the technology.
We have one goal. That's to solve the problem. I've worked 34 years in this area. I've never once seen that it's a competition on who gets credit here. We just don't care. We just want to solve the problem, however that may be.